Hello friends, welcome back to English Learning Time. My name is Tom and today I have a special lesson for you. Today we will learn English with a story. Don't worry, we are not reading a full book. This is a short and easy summary, made just for English learners. The story is called Treasure Island. My friend Richard will read the story slowly and clearly. First, you will listen to the story. Then I will explain important words in very easy English. After that, you can repeat after me, pause the video or write notes. So relax and get ready. Let's begin our story. The story. A long time ago near the sea there was a small inn. The name of the inn was the Admiral Benbow. A young boy named Jim Hawkins lived there with his parents. Life was quiet and simple. Only a few travelers came and nothing exciting happened. But one day everything changed. An old sailor came to the inn. He was tall, strong, and looked very rough. There was a deep scar on his face. He did not talk much and always looked afraid. Every morning he walked up a hill near the sea. He used a telescope and looked at the ocean like he was waiting for someone. He drank a lot of rum and sang loud pirate songs. The other guests felt scared. His name was Billy Bones. Billy paid Jim a silver coin every month. He asked Jim to watch for a sailor with one leg. Jim did not understand, but he knew Billy was hiding. One day a blind man came to the inn. His name was Pew and he was very frightening. Pew gave Billy something called the black spot. This was a pirate warning of danger and death. Billy became very pale. Soon after he fell down and died. His heart stopped. After Billy's death, Jim and his mother opened his box. They found money from many countries. But they also found something very important. It was a treasure map. The map showed where the pirate Captain Flint hid his gold. Jim took the map to Dr. Livesey, a kind doctor, and Squire Trelawney, a rich man. They decided to sail across the sea and find the treasure. They hired a ship called the Hispaniola. They also hired a strict but honest captain named Captain Smollett. Jim joined the ship as a cabin boy. He was excited and proud. One of the crew was Long John Silver, the cook. He had one leg and used a wooden crutch. He was friendly, smart, and told funny stories. He also had a green parrot that said, "Pieces of 8. Pieces of 8. Everyone liked Silver, at first. One day Jim was hiding inside a barrel. He heard Silver talking secretly. Jim learned the truth. Silver and many crew members were pirates. They planned to take the treasure and control the ship. Jim was scared, but he listened carefully. Later he told the captain and the good men. After many days the ship reached Treasure Island. The island was green, quiet, and mysterious. Jim went onto the island and walked into the forest. There he met Ben Gunn, a strange man. Ben was a pirate long ago. His friends left him alone on the island for 3 years. Ben told Jim a secret. He had already found the treasure and hid it safely. Meanwhile, the pirates attacked. They tried to take the map and control everything. Jim did something very brave. He took a small boat, reached the ship, and fought a pirate. Jim won and moved the ship to a safe place. In the end, the pirates failed. They could not find the treasure. The good men found it instead. Gold, silver, and jewels from around the world. They sailed back to England safely. Jim was rich now, but he was also different. He had seen danger and fear. He had learned about courage, trust, and friendship. He was no longer a little boy. He had grown up. Vocabulary practice, simple style. Now let's learn some easy words from the story. By the sea. Near the ocean. Example, the house is by the sea. A small hotel. Example, we stayed at a quiet inn. Rough. Looks tough or messy. Example, the sailor looked rough. A mark on the skin. Example, he has a scar on his face. Nervous. Feeling worried or afraid. Example, I feel nervous before exams. Keep an eye out. Watch carefully. Example, keep an eye out for danger. Adventure. An exciting journey. Example, it was a great adventure.